Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim. Innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. عن أنس بن مالك أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال لا يزداد الأمر إلا شدة ولا الدنيا إلا إدبارا ولا الناس إلا شحا ولا تقوم الساعة إلا على شرار الناس ولا المهدي إلا عيسى ابن مريم. The translation is that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiallahu ta'ala anhu reported that Allah's Messenger said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the matter will not add but more and more misery, and the world would not multiply but in adversity and poverty, and people would turn more and more niggardly, and the last hour would not occur but on the worst people, and there would be no Mahdi, which is the guided one, but Jesus, son of Mary. This hadith is from the book of Ibn Majah, BaitulFutuh. As I mentioned that Hazrat Masih Maud Islam has 4 basic claims for the Muslims. There are some other claims as well, but for the Muslims, 4 claims. One, that he is the Mujaddid of the 14th century. Secondly, he is Imam Mahdi. Thirdly, he is the promised Messiah. And the 4th claim is that he is the Prophet of Allah, subordinate to Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 2 claims we have already discussed. Now the 3rd claim, that he is promised Messiah as well, Jesus, son of Mary, who was to come. Now this hadith explains this point. The last part of this hadith is Walal Mahdiyu illa Isa ibn Maryam, that there is no Mahdi except Jesus, son of Mary. Now there is a common misunderstanding among the Muslims that Mahdi and Isa, they are 2 different people, and they believe that Mahdi will be born but Isa ibn Maryam will come from heaven. Whereas the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, according to this hadith, is very clearly saying that Mahdi and Isa, the one who is supposed to come in the latter days, they are one and same person. They are not 2 different people. In other words, this is an attributive name of Mahdi. Isa ibn Maryam, one Isa ibn Maryam is the one who was the messenger for the children of Israel, as the Holy Quran says, وَرَسُولًا إِلَىٰ بَنِي Israel. He was the messenger of Allah for the children of Israel. But this Isa, which is going to come in Islam, this is the 2nd name of the Mahdi. So they are not 2 different people, they are one and the same person. So once we proved yesterday that Holy Prophet ﷺ said that for the true Mahdi, there are 2 signs, that is eclipses of the moon and the sun. So once it is proved that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani Islam is that Mahdi, so automatically it is proved that he is also the promised Isa ibn Maryam who was to come. Because this hadith says that Mahdi and Isa are one and the same persons. So if we learn this just small hadith, only 4-5 words, Walal Mahdiyu illa Isa ibn Maryama. Wa and la not, Al Mahdiyu is Mahdi, guided one, illa but Isa, Jesus, Ibn Maryam, son of Mary. So we can, if we learn this and share it with people, first of all, we should tell our own family, our own children, so that they know what are our beliefs. And also we should try to remove the misunderstanding which is found among so many Muslims around us. So this is why this hadith is very important.